Hi, Rock Turnell, CEO and founder of the Turnell Financial Group, and I've been talking recently about being essential, that everybody's essential, that if you're viewing this, you're essential. You're essential to someone, you're essential to your family, to your work, to the community. And I've gotten some questions. Well, Rock, can you go a little deeper into some financial planning concepts? What are some essential financial planning concepts that I should be adhering to in times where they're real messy like this? And one of the basic concepts that we've talked about for a long time that I just think is really prudent is having an emergency fund. Having an emergency fund. And some people say, well, what's the right number? And it's different for everybody. But a rule of thumb is to have 6 to 9 months living expenses in money market savings, CDs, something very safe and something very liquid that you can get your hands on in an emergency, and it gives you a little breathing room because we don't know how long this is going to take. You may have that, you may not have that. If you don't have that, one of the things you're going to want to take a look at is your outflow of money on a monthly basis. How much is going out? What are your necessities? What are some of the fluff things that you can cut back on? But you have to know for the next 3 to 6 months, what's your outflow and what expense is due at any given month so you can plan for that. And what are some things you can cut back on? And so I think that's real important. The third essential thing to be thinking about right now, beyond those two, is what things do you have? What assets do you have that can be quickly, easily converted to cash should you need those for month 10, 11th, and 12th, or whatever happens down the road? And what are the tax complications and implications of that? And then how long would it take to convert that to cash? You probably won't know what to do with that, so you'll need to lean on someone that you trust that can help you, guide you through what are the tax implications and what that might mean to you. I encourage you to reach out to us at the Turnell Financial Group at turnellfinancial.com, or you can call us 847-680-9050 and get a hold of one of our financial advisors. I'm Rock Turnell. I'm the CEO and founder of the Turnell Financial Group.